KΑಈ ULIULI, especially that back on bombing. Got Lili Molina, and Lili Molina. Although this one has some pink on the bottom, where the other Lili Molinas wasn't as pink. Hi. What trips me out is that this KAಈ ULIULI, although not the biggest huli, is currently the biggest Kalo, the tallest Kalo, as you can see. Here got the manini. The manini finally gave a lull that came from the lo'i, so it took a while to kind of spring out. I think that's manini kea. And here we have Palauan one that grows abundantly here in Palauan. The wahia pere just got brought out into sunlight, so I'm slowly acclimating it. So from the beginning till now, sort of been a journey. From prepping the ground, from prepping the huli, to prepping the ground some more, and then finally planting. I was still hopeful and knew that with a little bit of care and love, these kalo could grow big and strong. So here are the kalo when I first planted them. And here are the kalo 1 month after I planted them. And finally 2 months in, here we are. So here's a quick leaf to hand comparison of the KAಈ ULIULI that I grew 2 months ago. So I've been spraying 1 to 1,000 parts of FAA, or fish amino acid, which is a Korean natural farming input that I make. FAA is really high in nitrogen and is really easy to make. Just ferment equal parts of fish scraps to equal parts of brown sugar and let it ferment for about 6 months. After the 6 months, strain out the liquid and voila, you made FAA. What I think is really special about FAA is that it's all natural, it's really cheap to make, and they don't cause fertilizer burn to your plants. Mahalo nui for watching. Stay tuned for next month's update, and don't forget to like and subscribe.